What's up, guys? So I got something in the mail today. I'm gonna pick this label off, and it's from YouTube, and I think I know what's inside. But here's the deal: Sporto isn't here to help me open it because we haven't been recording in the past, 3 weeks, 4 weeks? So I wanted to wait for him to open it and do a live video, but as of right now, I don't know how long we're going to be down. So, and I'm not going to be able to sit and look at this box for the next couple weeks without opening it. So I'm going to open it. You want to help me?
Yeah.
Because you were part of this too, right?
Yeah.
Well, you've done videos with me, right?
Yeah.
What's so funny?
I don't know.
I gotta cut this open too. You know, I could have done a live video doing this, but I figure more people will see it this way versus a live video. This is pretty cool. Little CEO of YouTube letter. Wow, this is neat looking. So, I've been wanting this for so long. That is pretty cool. Thank you, everyone that has subscribed and helped us get to this milestone. I'm hoping to get 1 million someday. So, yeah, I'm sure Sporto will want to say something too once he gets back to our house and we can record some more videos. So I'll put this up. I'll probably hang it up somehow or put it up on my shelf behind our videos.
And then this
You
one
guys,
over it.
yeah. But yeah, thank you very much. Really appreciate it. Wouldn't be able to do it without
Whenever you're done with your videos, just put that
her
in
and
there.
Sporto and my son Jackson
Whenever you're done, just put it in there.
and even my wife, because she lets me go downstairs and go record videos. And I'm gone and posting videos a lot and editing videos, so you know it takes a lot of time away from the family too. So it's a lot of hard work. Thank you everybody that subscribed. Thank you. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.